Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to turn off the receivers at once for the TT108 tour guide system. First, we need to turn on the transmitter and turn on the receiver. And you have to make sure the receiver is paired successfully with the transmitter. At that time, you can turn off all the receivers at once. And when you turn on the transmitter, press the set for about 8 seconds, and the receiver will have the sound. And after the sound, it will turn off. Let's check. Press now. Okay, you can see it turn off. And it's quite easy. If you want to know more about this product and also want to know how to pair, you can check my other videos. If you have any other questions, feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. Thank you.